Sorry, didn't see you there. Yeah, you're probably wondering to yourself, Barry, what the bloody hell are you doing here? But the bush is there. Are you flexing? Are you going to attempt doing the World Strongman competition next year? Yeah, I know I look like a little bit scrawny, but somebody found the vet. These puppies are sick. Yeah, unlike Rhino Nell. Congrats, chom. It's like a cousin of a cousin of a cousin of mine. Hierdie ou so fris, sy nek is dikker as my lyf. Sulke boomstomp armpies. Yeah, I'm sure he's the guy that found out that jungle oats gives you spirit. Yeah. Mind you, if I just lift up 5 kilogram, ek knak agteroor soos 'n wimbuks. Ou Rhinoutjie, my broer, my bra, my woepwapke oomf. Well bloody done, man. Chom. Did you see that spirit? Yeah, any case, man, you make yourself Africa proud, man. Jou groot spiere in jou. Picking up something that's like 100 times my weight. Okay, thanks.